Hello everyone, today I will show you how to attach a PDF file inside a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will insert new PDF file or attach this PDF document. Click on this comment option and here you will find this file attached option. Click here and put your mouse cursor where you want to attach a PDF file. I will attach here. Now open your folder and select insert this one, select open and see this PDF file now attached here. Now click here, double click this icon and select OK and see this another PDF file now open here and this attached PDF file icon showing here. In this way you can attach as many as PDF file you want. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.